like to make it with you.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, kanina gumawa tayo ng Bake BakedMac. I'm gonna show you later after doing makeup. Kasi I'm preparing right now to go to work. So, we're gonna have a taste test. Right now, I'm just waiting till the BakedMac set. So, I can't wait the taste test, guys. I'm sure you're gonna like it also. So, I'm gonna do my makeup first. I'll be using Juicy toner. This is only toner, guys. So, only cleanser before I put my makeup. Kamusta naman po kayong lahat? Sana naman po kayo ay okay na okay. Guys, mabango to. Amoy candy. Mascara. Very simple makeup lang, guys. Day makeup. Guys, I can't wait to taste our Bake BakedMac. I will prepare and then we can have a taste test. This is our Bake BakedMac. So guys, no worries anymore if you have no oven at home. You can make this and you just need to follow the cooking directions that I'm going to show you later. And then before our taste test, I want to show you how we make this Bake BakedMac. This is the ingredients: elbow macaroni, hot dog, garlic, pork cubes, cheese, evap milk, butter, 2 cans corned beef, and you can also use ground pork or ground beef, and then soy sauce, and of course our spaghetti sauce, then salt, ground black pepper, and some other spices that is optional. And then guys, if you want to know the exact measurement, just check the description box below. Then now let's start to make. Guys, let's start to boil water to cook the elbow macaroni. This is the macaroni and each pack has 400 grams. Then now our water is ready. Let's pour the 3 packs and then stir. And then we will wait, guys, 7 to 10 minutes. Now guys, our macaroni is ready. We just need to drain this first, then we will set aside. Now guys, let's proceed to the next procedure. We will make the sauce. First, melt 1/4 butter, then add the garlic and some ground pepper, and then the soy sauce. These techniques always gives your ingredients to have a better taste. Then let's add the 2 cans corned beef. Then let's put the 1 teaspoon of salt. And then guys, I'm gonna add the spices. Cayenne pepper, paprika, and basil leaves. And as I said guys, this is only optional. Let's add now the sliced hot dogs. And then mix. Next is spaghetti sauce. Let's put now the pork cubes. Then now guys, our sauce is ready. Let's start to make now the cheese sauce. Melt 1/4 butter. Then let's put some ground black pepper and half teaspoon of salt. Then guys, I'm gonna put some basil leaves. It gives aroma in your white sauce. It's okay if you don't have. It's just an optional guys. Then half cubes. Mix until it's dissolved, and then let's pour now the 1 can of evap milk. And then guys, our sauce have to be thick, so to make that, let's dissolve 2 tablespoons of flour into half cup of water. And then before we put this, we have to simmer our milk maybe 2 to 3 minutes. Then before that, let's put now the grated cheese. And then mix well until it melts. Then it's ready now to put the dissolved flour guys. Just mix well, and then until the texture will turn into thick. Now our sauce is ready guys. Let's assemble now our baked macaroni. Ayun na guys, taste test na tayo. Sarap! Let's eat! Guys, the taste is very creamy. And I think all the ingredients we put is exactly the measure. So guys, try this at home and I will put all the descriptions and measurements and procedures on how to make this Bake BakedMac. Check the description box guys, then you can try this on your own. Very simple and easy guys. Ang sarap. Kumain ka na muna. My youngest want to go out. Anay, ano yan?
Mga taga.
Laging hanap si Gab.
Lagi na mga kiriray kayo. Lagi na kayo.
The neighbor said,
Wala ng bisikleta.
o nga po.
Lagi ng bisikleta. Laging...
Guys, just kinda mad to the kids out there because they always want to borrow my son's bike. Guys, you can see the grandma outside. An old lady. That's our neighbor, guys. She's nice. It's really good, guys. Oh. And I have some juice from Tana. Guys, this brand, it's really natural juice. It's very good. Fontana. I will finish my food, guys. Thank you so much for watching. God bless.